Hi, my name's Ben Stevens and I'm part of SWAT, the Sanremo World Academy team. As part of this video tutorial, we're going to be stepping you through some features, some maintenance, and how to set up our Sanremo Cafe Racer, the newest machine of our range. So let's start by talking about a few of the external features of the machine and why we decided to create a machine for today's market like this. We wanted to design a machine that gave the barista the opportunity to suit that machine directly to themselves on a personal level. So we have a range of different machines to choose from the factory, and also an ease of customization in regards to paneling and also colors. We also wanted to make a machine that suited the market of today in the specialty field, with a replication of not only consistency, stability, but the ability to replicate that espresso on a mass scale. As part of this video tutorial, I'm going to explain a little bit more in detail about the actual groups that we use on the Cafe Racer, as well as our steam taps, and why we believe we've designed a machine with these components that suit today's market. So to begin with, we have a designed group head that's very much similar to our Sanremo Opera with some slight variations. We have a dual temperature control per group head with the ability for the barista to enter programmation and program individually. And we believe this is a high importance for today's industry to make sure that if you are using multiple coffees in your cafe, you can set this machine up perfectly suited for that coffee specifically. We also have a soft pre-infusion that runs through this machine via this boiler system. Now it does this via a jetting system and gives you the ability to program the length of that pre-infusion before going into a ramp of the extraction pressure. With our steam taps, again, we've designed a steam tap that suits the majority of baristas on a personal level. So we can actually activate the levers on a 360-degree activation, not just for ergonomics, but again to suit the barista on that individual level. Let's talk in a little bit more detail about the internal circuitry and the boilers and componentries that make up that circuitry. With the Sanremo Cafe Racer, we have 7 different boilers, 1 main steam boiler dedicated to give the barista the exact steam pressure needed on a large scale basis. We also have 3 internal individual preheat boilers that feed all 3 individual group boilers. Our idea behind this was again based around stability in regards to the temperature. We understand as manufacturers, as part of the specialty coffee industry, need to make sure that every single extraction that comes out of the Cafe Racer was as it was the last extraction. Again, we understand to do this, we need to maintain stability in temperature. To do this, we have made a stepping stone through the actual circuitry to preheat the water just slightly before passing it on to the groups, and this gives us that stability that we need. Internally, we also have thermo coverings on all the materials being 316L stainless steel, giving us better thermo properties and the ability to leave the minerals within the water that's designed for extraction. As part of the system, with those thermo coverings, we have an energy saving rating of approximately 30% to the traditional espresso machine. Again, meaning that energy we save, we can use to our advantage to keep the machine a lot more stable than previous machines on the market. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to talking to you next time.